Hello, welcome to another MCO update on Doge. I want to start here on the daily time frame for Doge. Price is currently around 23.3 cents, and we have seen only a three-wave rally to the upside from the April low. That could be a wave A of 5, for example. Maybe we need even another layer of waves in between, but that depends a little bit on how these subwave structures form and extend. For now, in the short term, the good news is that the price reacted to this Fibonacci support area between 12.6 cents and 21.1 cents. This support area we talked about over the last few months, really. That's good news. However, it's only a three-wave move up, so while this could turn into a five-wave move, and I'll show you a wave count for that on the smaller time frame, it clearly at this point is only three waves. Now, that is not a problem necessarily, given that the move to the upside is expected to be an ABC structure for various reasons. So we're currently tracking an A wave rally, and I'm watching for the B wave pullback to start. The evidence for that is not very strong yet. So I'm not convinced yet really that this B wave has started. Maybe something more bullish is playing out, like for example this. I'm going to just sketch it for you. And this is something, and most charts look like that at the moment. Very much possible. This was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, ABC in wave 3. We get another 4-5 pattern. So that the market is basically forming or trying to form a 5-wave move up, but that would be valid only as a diagonal pattern. In this scenario, the market is currently working on wave 4, not on wave B yet, okay? This is the difference. And so that would be an explanation why, for example, the pullback that we see at the moment is rather weak. I want everybody to be prepared for that, yeah? So let's go to the smaller time frame. Here you can see, the, I need to change this to orange actually. So here you see this orange count, potential diagonal pattern to the upside, something I am tracking on various crypto charts as at least alternative scenario. You can see that while the bulls are still there, the bears are definitely coming in. The structure is starting to look different to what it was between the 6th of May and the 10th of May. And I see this as a, consolidation. Bottom line is we only have a three-wave move up at the moment. And again, this could be A wave up, B wave down, C wave up in wave A. We're now working on the B wave pullback, A, B, C, and then we rally higher. Or, depending on how I count it, this could also be 1, 2, A, B, C in wave 3. Then a wave 4 that could be a bit weaker, and wave 5. Overall, I have the main support area on the chart here. It's between 15 cents and 19.9 cents. And the main takeaway is that the market is bullish as long as we're holding above 15 cents. So this B wave needs to hold above the 15-cent level. Doesn't mean it has to test it. Just means that this is our main support. As long as we're holding it, it's all good. In the orange scenario, obviously, we might not even go down that much. For now, the focus is more on the nanostructures here. You might recall from previous videos, we talked about this ABC structure and the target box here between 21.7 cents and 19.7 cents. Reacted, good. Okay, we have a reaction. So that's good. Though I can remove that box, we don't need that anymore. So the market has formed something even that looks a bit like a 5-wave move up. But that could just be a wave down in 3 waves. So we have this ABC pattern to the downside, which reached target. Now we might be forming an ABC structure to the upside, which could be the B wave. As long as it's a corrective rally, it's all good. Yeah, even if it breaks slightly above resistance. As long as it is a corrective rally and does not change the trend, I can call it a B wave. And then we have we would watch for a 5-wave move down in wave C. So A, B, C. That's how the pattern could go. And depending on how deep it goes, we might then make a call, okay, it's rather a 4th wave, or it might be more likely the B wave. So What I'm watching for now here is if the market can generate an upside reversal in the very short term. So it seems like it. And micro support is this one. So just added here the area to which the price could react. It's between 22.3 cents and 23.2 cents. That's the update on Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.